Here's how you can set the high graphics settings for PUBG Mobile on your iPhone. If you want to enjoy playing PUBG with the highest settings, watch this and get these settings for your PUBG Mobile on your iPhone.
So without wasting any more time, let's get started.
Step 1. Open PUBG. Tap the arrow icon, tap Settings, tap Graphics and Audio. Set your graphics. Now you can check this graphics. Set Ultra HD. Tap Picture Quality Comparison. Here you can see the difference. Now choose the frame rate. Before you choose the high frame rate, read this. Selecting the Ultra can cause temperature increase and battery drain, but it will give you a smooth experience for gaming. Select style, you can choose soft or movies. This will give you a more eye-catching experience. Now scroll down. Adjust your brightness. After these settings, tap Haptic Feedback. Enable high quality. Now before you start to play, please restart your iPhone. Now enjoy these high graphics settings with your PUBG Mobile on your iPhone. Now if you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. And as always, thanks for watching.